Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Zorin OS and Kubuntu. Zorin OS and Kubuntu are both Linux distributions aimed at providing a user-friendly desktop experience. Zorin OS is a beginner-friendly Linux distribution designed to be easy for Windows users to switch to. It offers a clean and visually appealing desktop with pre-installed apps for everyday use. The setup process is simple, allowing users to get started quickly without technical knowledge. Zorin OS also includes features like a Windows-like interface option and a software store for easy app installation. It is stable and regularly updated, providing a reliable computing experience. The system is optimized for performance on both modern and older hardware. Kubuntu is a Linux distribution based on Ubuntu that features the KDE Plasma desktop, offering a modern and visually appealing interface. It provides a highly customizable desktop experience, allowing users to adjust layouts, themes, and widgets to their liking. Kubuntu comes with a wide range of pre-installed applications for productivity, multimedia, and internet use. It benefits from Ubuntu's stability, large software repository, and regular updates. The system is suitable for both new and experienced Linux users, though beginners may need some time to explore KDE's features. Performance is smooth on modern hardware. It can also run well on older machines with adjustments. Overall, Zorin OS is better for beginners seeking simplicity, while Kubuntu is ideal for users wanting a customizable and feature-rich Ubuntu-based desktop. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.